cái nhóm là nó toàn có có thâu về bên ngoài lạt đi mù có xí phố tỷ lúc bao giờ đó cho nên là tôi yếu tôi mua xí á à nó cao qua giờ anh thấy tôi số nào cho nên cái khăn bây giờ rất chị chẳng cả tôi có số nó đấy luôn à ha bảo giờ mua rất chị đâu nhá hổ chân chân đông bây giờ rất chị nó chân chân đông hết ta sẽ cút thay tao chỉ bỏ chân chân đông chân chân đông nha cái số thiết kế đó tao không dám mua luôn đâu không được nhá tao không dám mua và tôi cũng tôi anh chơi làm gì tỏi tôi nói tôi cầu gì tôi năng cầu đô la đó cái mùng sống có tao thấy tôi năng cầu gì không cái hôm nào mà yêu hạt đi xứ ta sửa tổ cho số nó cho đây nào chú thấy cho liều cho đây nào nè mà số nó mà giờ cho rúng câu đi cho đây nào mà đã nó mua khe nó sẽ hậu tiên nó sẽ mua khe nhau nữa tên nào mà bây giờ bị chua tên nữa sư ôi dồi đâu cái gì nó bớt toàn là một chân con nữa xem một tí lúc bao tí bố giờ này chốt hay không tan giờ nó là tan giờ thể thiết kế đó tôi nói tôi nói sao tan giờ thể thiết kế đó
Welcome aboard. Chair right up there. There's more shade over there.
Như xe tôi tưởng tôi làm cái mà rồi không có nói chuyện mà chơi một xí phố tiểu là phải chờ trả nhỏ nó kia rồi thế nó tung
Welcome aboard, Kelly DC Connection. I am your captain this afternoon, Captain Ron.
Hey.
Yeah, just like the movie. And our awesome mates that we've got on board, Mark over here, and now up front. Welcome aboard, guys. Well, a few safety items, if I could have your attention just for a minute, a few safety items before we leave. Overhead bins here, these are the life jackets for adults, 25 on each side. Those of you 90 pounds and under, they're in the dock boxes here on the bow of the boat. They are all first come, first served. Somebody got it. She laughed. Guys, it's about a 15-minute ride over to the island. I do need you to please remain seated throughout. There is no smoking, no vaping. In the very unlikely instance of something happening, just listen to what your crew directs you to do. Major thing though is I need you to bring your arms, elbows, hands, everything in off the rails here. We are going to slide down these piers coming and going. I do not want you to succumb to peer pressure. You guys have to come back this way. You have to sit down. You have to sit. There's plenty of the room in the back. Yeah, like I said, the pressure, we don't want you to get hurt. Unfortunately, there was one woman this morning would not listen to me. Left her hand out there. We left it up on the rail there. So nobody could see it. You know? Unfortunately, though, she was a professional cyclist. No, she was a shorthand. Come on, now. That's a good line.
4-6.
All right.
Ma'am,
All right, we're clear. Hands inside, off the rails, please.
your bag.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Can get it. Let me help you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Cái mũ có tuổi đi đi con hổ, có tuổi đi tập con hổ, cái này luôn hè cùng con hổ.
Alrighty, folks. Once again, welcome aboard the Connection. We are currently heading out into the St. Joseph Sound on our way over to Kelladisi Island. I'm going to point out just a couple of things real quickly over here. First of all, over here on the right side, that beach over there is Doggy Beach or Pet Beach. The only pet-friendly beach in the Park Service here in Florida. That is still part of Honeymoon Island over there. That is the southwest tip of it. As we get out beyond this point here on the right, we're starting to see an island in the distance. That is our destination today, Kelladisi Island. At one time, Kelladisi Island and Honeymoon Island were actually one big island. They were homesteaded in the 1880s. Back then it was known as Hog Island. They had a big hog farm out here. 1921, we had a major hurricane hit right here in Dunedin, Florida. It carved Hog Island in two. Short hurricane pass that you see today over on the right side. And look over the top of Kelladisi way in the distance. See a couple of high-rises. That's actually Clearwater Beach, about 5 miles from here. To the left of it, the haze down there, that one tall building is downtown Clearwater. Directly in front of us is Dunedin. Up to our points over here, there's the causeway. Came out to get to the ferry today. That's actually Dunedin Beach over there. Really pretty beach, one of the few left. You can actually drive your car right down onto it. Folks, we're going to speed up. I want to get you over to the island. I need you to hold on to hats, scarves, things like that that might blow off the boat. Unfortunately, we cannot go back for a lost hat unless you're still under it. So just enjoy the ride.
Chết chẳng cơ. trên chỗ lúc còn nó nè